Hi, this is Mamta Malija, practicing as a life coach and coaching on investment. Today, we are going to see how we can develop the habits that we want to become the good habits that we want to cultivate in our life. How we can work towards performing that habits in our life. First is seek clarity. Clarity towards what you want, what you are now, and what you want to become in your life. And you should start committing and yourself towards your own consistency towards the things that you want to develop yourself as a person. Write your goals, write your action plans, write your things towards that you want to become that person in your life. Next is First is seek clarity. Next is generate energy. We have to generate our energy towards the things that we focus on to develop ourselves as a person, and we have to develop that positive energy, and we should have that clarity towards the things that we want and generate that high energy by focusing on those things that we want to build and work towards as a person in our life. Next, we have to rise our necessity performance. We Whatever we do, we should give our best. We should work towards that best to develop that person in our life. But we should give that at give that best within, from within us, and whatever we do with you, that whatever we do with highest performance, and we will do our best towards the things that we want to develop ourselves and grow ourselves as a person in our life. Next is increase productivity. We have to increase our own productivity. Whatever we do, we should utilize the time, and we should overcome that distraction that creates in our life, and we should work towards the things that we want by increasing that productivity of work towards the things that we want to focus and we want to work towards by developing that focus and towards taking that small step towards the things that we want to develop ourselves and grow ourselves in our life. First is seek clarity, second is generate energy, third is rise necessity performance, fourth is increase productivity, fifth is develop influence. We have to develop that passion in our life. We have to grow with that passion. We have to work towards the things by practicing over and over time, like planning the things over and over time, and we have to work towards the things that help you to grow ourselves. And we also take that initiative towards that growth mindset in our life, and we have to start taking that inspiration from the people who already achieved that success, and we should have that aspiration to grow in our life. Next is demonstrate courage. We have to develop that courage, and we have to develop that courage in our life. Whatever challenges or anything that in come in our life, we can overcome it, we can handle it, and we can take it as a strength, and we can and work towards that change, work towards that courage that help to determine that we can and we will handle and we can overcome it, and we have that power within us. We have that potential within us, that ability that we have to work towards that, focusing on the things that we want to develop ourselves in, by building that skill to become that person in our life, but take that charge of control of your life. So if you want to become a high performer, first is seek clarity, second is generate energy, third is have give your best performance, fourth is increase productivity, fifth is develop influence, and sixth is demonstrate courage. So we have to work over towards the things that we want to develop as a person, and we have to take that charge of control of our life by working towards that things, and we have to take that step forward towards that growth that we want to work towards in our life. Take that life as your responsibility and take in charge of control your life towards the things that you want to develop yourself and grow yourself as a person, and develop that mindset of working towards the things to become an achiever in your life. So thank you guys, thank you to one and all. See you all tomorrow with my next video. Until then, bye.